Step into a minimalist, comfy space at Yugo Cincinnati Deacon, your one-stop destination for all student needs in Cincinnati. Choose from lavish studios, charming ensuites, or spacious 3 and 4 bedroom apartments, each stylishly furnished with in-unit washer and dryers for breezy laundry, heating and ACS to keep you comfy always, and a mattress so comfy you'll want to hit snooze each day, chase academic success in the study and conference rooms, then smash fitness goals at the gym, or enter Zen mode at the yoga studio. Swim some laps in the swimming pool, if that's more your style. Over the weekends, head to the cinema room, perfect for movie nights while munching on popcorn. There's even a dog park for your paw pals at this pet-friendly property. With bike storage and paid parking, your wheels have a home too. Primarily located at Straight Street, you are a short drive from University of Cincinnati and Xavier University. Bus stop like Clifton Avenue, 2657, and Clifton Avenue and Calhoun Street will make your travelling more convenient. Upgrade uni life in Cincinnati now. Grab your spot at Yugo Cincinnati Deacon with amberstudent.com.